Hello viewers, another air raid siren in Los Angeles, and right up on top of this fire station here is Siren 194. It's a birdhouse. Show you where I'm at. I'm in Glassell Park off of Fletcher Drive here, and this is the first air raid siren that I found that is on top of a fire station. It's right up there. So this is LAFD fire station 50. I'll show you the front. Fire station 50, and I found some air raid sirens that are next to or inside of fire stations, but this is the first one I've come across that's actually up on top of the roof. So there you go, Siren 194. It's a birdhouse on Fletcher Drive here in Glassell Park on the roof of LAFD Fire Station 50. All right, thanks for watching.